I think it's been a really interesting transition. I mean, looking at moving to smart manufacturing systems is something that we've been open to for a number of years, but never really found what we thought was suitable fit for Amtico.
It may sound a little bit strange, but we're in the same factory, but it can feel a little bit isolated at times.
So getting into Redzone was really exciting for us, and it really gave us the opportunity to get more people actively engaged.
I got no problem with the Redzone from the first day. And literally I've got just one training for 20 minutes.
It's been very well taken by the shop floor, so we've got a large team of people here. We've got 100 people just in finishing alone.
Because I'm in charge of 30 to 35 people a shift, I can see, right, oh, I've got a machine breakdown here, I've got this and I've got that, so you can actually see the problems going on.
You know, the communication between both sets is really good. It's there right in front of me. It's more streamlined.
The life before the Redzone been really hard. It's really hard to find someone to help me. And now I just text to them on the tablet and they're showing after a couple of minutes.
And we are seeing an uplift already straight away through Redzone. And I expect that to just continue and increase.
You know, this is about giving everybody a voice. We can clearly see a way forward. Now having it live is a game changer for us.